Hey, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a favicon to your website without a plugin. The favicon is the icon that you see on the tab of each website that you visit. It is also the icon you see when you save or bookmark a website. Favicons must be 16 by 16 or 36 by 36 in size and must also be either a PNG or an ICO file. Most modern day browsers use an icon, so it's good to have one in your website. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create the favicon icon. So if you already have your image ready, go ahead and skip to the next step. But if you don't, we're going to go ahead and make one. So you can go to any website you want, but I'm going to go to this website called Logo Maker, just because that's the website I've been using. And this website, you can search for whatever image type you want. It's going to list a bunch of images. The website I'm going to work on is called WP Backdoor, so I'm going to search a door. Now, because we're using a very small size for our icon, when we create it, the less detail, the better. But, I mean, really, do what you want to do. So I'm going to select this door right here, and it's going to come up with a pretty large image. But don't size it now. We're going to size it later. Here, we're just going to change the color and change the kind of the way it looks. So I'm going to make it a blue door, right? And when you're done, go ahead and save it. All right, we're going to select option 2 unless you want to pay it. But option 2, and then I'll give them credit later. I'm going to save, and I'm going to have it downloaded. Next, we're going to go to a Photoshop software website. I do Pixlr, but you can use any other website, or if you already have Photoshop installed on your computer, go ahead and use that. On Pixlr, I'm going to go here and open my image. I'm going to select the one I just downloaded. And here's where I'm going to resize it. All right, so I'm going to go image size, and I want to do 36 by 36. All right, so here with this one, it's 36 width but 65 height. So the maximum width and height on anything, it has to be 36. So I'm going to do 36 height instead, and it's going to be a width of 20, which is fine. All right, so the max we're going to do is 36 on anything. All right, once we get the settings and image size all right, we're going to press OK. And before we save it, we're going to go to canvas size, and we're going to center it. We're also going to do 36 by 36. All right, and now it's going to be an even 36 by 36 on the canvas. All right. Otherwise, it's going to be stretched. If you don't do 36 by 36 canvas, it's going to be a stretched image. All right, once you have it all set, go ahead and save it. Make sure you save it as a PNG, right? I'm going to type as Favicon. You can save it as anything. We're going to be changing the name to Favicon anyway, so we might as well change it now to Favicon. But for any saving reasons, save it as however. All right. Go ahead and save it, PNG file. And now we're going to convert it into an ICO file. All right, so I go to convertico.com. I like it. It works. Pretty basic, but it works. Click to download. Click your favicon icon. It's going to download into an ICO file. Go ahead and download it to your computer. And then we're done. We have the icon ready, and now we just need to upload it to our website. To upload to our website, open up an FTP to your website. I already have mine open, but once you get it open, all you do is just transfer it over. And I'm going to do that now. Okay. So once you're on your website, FTP, go ahead and do public HTML. Find your website. I have multiple, so find yours that you want to upload the favicon to. I'm going to do WP Backdoor. And then I'm going to find in my downloads the favicon, right? I know I saved it as a favicon ICO. And I know it's this one right here because it says item type ICO file, right? I'm just going to click it, and I'm going to drag it over. I'm going to copy into my files. I see here it's a favicon.ico, and I know it uploaded properly because it says ICO file. Sometimes it will upload as a favicon.ico.png, and then it'll be a PNG file. If that's the case, kind of mess around with it. Sometimes it's easy fix as just editing the name and deleting the .png part. Sometimes it's starting over from scratch or just editing the name in your downloads folder. All right. I dragged this over, by the way. So now I have the website right here, the WP Backdoor. I originally had a test or a dummy Twitter icon, but now I'm going to refresh my website, and it's going to be the new Favicon that we just installed. And so to do a hard refresh, I'm going to do Control F5 to make sure it actually gets everything. You can see now here I have the door. You could also open up a incognito tab and test it that way too if you don't want to do a hard retest or hard refresh. You can see here that I got the door as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.